सो हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू नियो कॉमिक्स। मैं हूं आपका होस्ट डॉक्टर मनीष और आज का ये वीडियो है कुछ ज्यादा ही एक्स्ट्रा स्पेशल बिकॉज दिस इज वन ऑफ अ काइंड पॉडकास्ट. With us today we have some guests and I'll introduce all of them to you one by one. Starting off with Nikhil Pranji. He needs no introduction, so it's a pleasure having you over here on this video today. Uh, we
Hello.
also have uh, we also have Tonu Moiroy from Ontori Publishers, the Bengali publisher that I have been featuring for quite some time now. And recently, Prans and Ontori have combined together and they have launched a collaborative effort, and we'll talk about that in a moment.
Yeah, hello.
And just like me, there are two more influencers with us today. So, first of all, I'll introduce you to Skandan. So Skandan runs the Nameless Things YouTube channel, and we have been doing some podcasts recently, and you can find all of those videos on his channel, and I'll provide the link in the description.
Hi everyone. Hi.
So that's SK for you. And we also have Pranay Bhai from Classic Comics India, growing Instagram handle covering comic books, both Indian and Western. Welcome, Pranay Bhai.
Thank you. Thank you. Pleasure being here.
Absolutely, and I'm really glad to have you all over here in this video. I don't think I have done this sort of video before. There has just been one podcast so far, and this is the second one, this online virtual meet. And without any more further ado, I'll get right into the topics. Recently, what I have come across is Ontori Publishers and France have released a Bengali omnibus on Chacha Chaudhary, and it has been received really well among the Bengali readers. So let's talk about the legacy, the past, present, and future of characters like Chacha Chaudhary, Billu, Pinky, and more from Nikhil Pranji himself. So Nikhilji, if you would like to shed some light and share some relevant information about these characters.
Hi everyone. Thank you for inviting me to the podcast. And Chacha Chaudhary is not new to everyone. एंड मैं भी बचपन से ही प्राण जी को देखता था जब मैं स्कूल से आता था कि वो कैसे ड्राइंग करते थे और एक एक ड्राइंग उन्होंने चाचा चौधरी को कैसे क्रिएट किया, कैसे स्टोरीज बनाते थे. And my memories go beyond in my childhood today. Uh, I really used to like, and he used to discuss with me some ideas about Chacha Chaudhary. And to the viewers, I would like to tell you that I have seen it grow and evolve with time. I have seen him draw that शुरू में चाचा चौधरी used to wear धोती and a turban और वो साइकिल पे उनके साथ थे. Then धीरे धीरे साबू he introduced in his comics. And आज की डेट में it's a jet age. And jet age I mean that जो हमारा भी podcast हो रहा है, we are in a different environment, different places, and we are combining and talking to each other and creating a podcast. So this is the technology which is happening. And चाचा चौधरी को लेके हम और भी आगे बात करेंगे. तन्मय is a good friend of mine. Tell me how we met and how we brought out the Samagra One comic book.
It's a pleasure, first of all. It's a pleasure to meet all these influencers, all these enthusiasts. And it's an opportunity for me as always try to look for opportunities where we can meet and have some conversation with the comics enthusiasts, comics influencers. It is not every day that we get such an opportunity. So, first of all, I would like to thank Manish for bringing this opportunity to us. And like any of us, like uh, probably millions and millions of kids of India, I'm also a very huge fan of Chacha Chaudhary from my childhood. In my village, uh, I used to, uh, ask my parents every day to bring new books of Chacha Chaudhary because we used to get Chacha Chaudhary comics back then in 90s in wheeler stalls and in railway platforms. We all can remember. And we used to get them in rupees 5, rupees 10. So I used to, every day I used to ask my parents to bring some books. And whenever I get some good marks in exam, I used to get a book like Chacha Chaudhary. So my story of Chacha Chaudhary, the love affair with Chacha Chaudhary and the whole universe of Pranji began back in 1990. So when I grew up and when I finally become a publisher, if I can say so right now, so it was a dream. If we can bring back Chacha Chaudhary, because we all know in Bengal that Chacha Chaudhary or that Pran created universe is not right now available in Bengali that we used to get back in 1990s or early 2000. It is not very
True.
much available here right now, and the market is very scattered. I'm not going to go into very detail because that's a very dark place. The market is not very clean in this part of Bengal and at the same time Bangladesh. So I was trying to somehow get in touch with the Pran family. So in this process, I met, you know, one of my friends actually give me a Facebook link of Nikhilji. So this is his profile. You go and send him a request, and if possible, get in touch with him and ask if this is possible. So in my memory or in my mind, I was not very sure if we would be able to handle such a big project and bring back Chacha Chaudhary in Bengal again in omnibus form. So then I mean, uh, took a chance. I took a chance and sent him a request, and then started a conversation. Started a conversation back in 2023, I guess. And then we had a chat, we had a phone call, we had some plans, we started working on it, and it probably took around 1.5 years to bring all these things. I mean, there's all these 10 books. We first we chose which book to bring first and which in the next volume, and then the translation and everything took place. It's a very long process, and I'm really, really very overwhelmed to see the response that we have got from the Bengali audience. We have already crossed you know more than what we expected. It's a brilliant response. The way the whole thing has been received in Bengal. I mean, I had a no strong belief that Chacha Chaudhary has a very strong base in Bengal. Yeah, there is a very good audience in India as well. There is a very good reader base in India as well. But in Bengali particularly, I would say Chacha Chaudhary, the Raka, Pinky, Billu, and everything has a huge fan base. Huge. So we have actually done this thing, started this thing with lot of things. I mean, we were not sure how the whole thing will now get into done. I mean, we'll be able to do this. Then it actually took place, and in the month of June, were able to bring the first omnibus. And thanks to Nikhilji and thanks to Sarans, the most junior member of Pran family, they both actually came down to Kolkata, and we had a chance to meet them, physically first time. And we had a beautiful media session, media conference. I invited few friends, few enthusiasts, few influencers, and the whole media of Bengal. I mean, it was brilliantly covered uh, across all media, electronics media, digital media, social media, and we had a great response. I mean, first time it is. I mean, something it is very difficult for me to actually grasp right now. Even I am not right now in a situation. I'm not in a situation where I can express what I'm feeling. As a publisher, to bring back Chacha Chaudhary, our childhood memory, our childhood hero, and to get a chance to be a publisher of Chacha Chaudhary, I don't know how to take this.
Actually, Tanuma, I would add in over here that our intention was purely that we wanted to give our Bengali readers a genuine product, genuine
Yeah, yeah.
Chacha Chaudhary. So, and that is the first one of our association which has come out.
Yeah, we have plans. We have plans in future. We are going to bring more volumes of Chacha Chaudhary, volumes of Raka, Pinky, Raman, Billu. And then Prancer is actually saying the right thing. Uh, we wanted to bring the original flavor of Chacha Chaudhary because the market, I mean, I have already told all of our readers that the market is not very, you know, clean here. People are very skeptical which one is original and which was is not. So we always intended to bring the original product back into Bengal. And when Pranji came here and we were able to launch our book and he was present there, it was actually cherry on the top of the cake.
So I'll be asking some queries that has come up on my YouTube community post and on Facebook. So first of all, I'll be addressing one question and one very insightful comment from Shatner Mohanty. So he has said that it's amazing that one man wrote and illustrated so many diverse characters. If you read Billu, you will think a teenager has written the stories. If you read Pinky, you will think a little girl has written the stories. Same with Srimati ji, Raman, Channi Chachi, each of them have different perspectives. So yeah, this comment highlights the diversification yet the simplicity of the stories and how the shift of POV happens and each of the characters get a different flavor. So the next question that he has come up with is very interesting, and I will shoot it to Nikhil Pranji if he can answer this one. So his question is, how does Billu see with the hair covering his eyes? बिल्लू का बाल कुछ ज्यादा ही लंबा है आगे की तरफ. इट कवर्स हिज आईज कंप्लीटली. आई मीन टिल डेट आई डोंट थिंक इन एनी कॉमिक्स हम लोग बिल्लू का आंख आज तक देख पाए हैं. तो जिसका आंख दिख ही नहीं रहा वो कैसे देख रहा है?
Well, I would answer the second question first. बिल्लू का शुरू से ही एक नॉटी कैरेक्टर रहा है जो प्रांजी ने बनाया था. And to be very frank, he drew Billu cartoon character based on me. In my in my young days when I was a child, my hair was अब तो बाल बहुत मेरे कम हो गए लेकिन पहले मेरे बाल बहुत थे. आंखों तक नहीं आते थे लेकिन हाँ, I used to cover my forehead. And I think he got an idea from there. And let me tell you that Billu is the only popular cartoon character in the world जिसकी आंखें eyes are not shown. बाकी आप किसी का भी एक एंड इट्स अ स्टाइल मतलब कि जो यंगस्टर्स होते हैं आज की डेट में भी अगर आप देखोगे यंगस्टर्स को ऑफ टीनेजर्स को वो दे आर वेरी पॉप कल्चर इज देयर देयर हेयर स्टाइल इज वेरी डिफरेंट एंड तो एट द टाइम व्हेन प्रांजी क्रिएटेड बिल्लू तो दिस वाज द कल्चर जस्ट लाइक डैनी if you it reminds me of Danny Gonsalves जो he film actor
हाँ.
जिसके hairstyle was like that. And at that time people used to wear bell bottom and long hair, cover their ears. So he drew this cartoon character. And the first question जो था आपका I remember at the time when Pranji started his career and he started providing comics, syndicating comics to all the magazines and newspapers. So each and there were different variety of comics जो मैगजीन्स थे जैसे चिल्ड्रन मैगजीन्स थे लेडीज मैगजीन्स थे समवेयर ऑफ जस्ट लाइक लोटपोट मनोरमा श्रीमती जी चंपक टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया न्यूज़पेपर they used to at his time used to syndicate the comics to more than 35 newspapers at a time. So every magazine or comic their demand was different in 1970s. तो ईच एंड अगर कोई फीमेल कोई लेडीज मैगजीन है तो दे वांटेड अ फीमेल कैरेक्टर, कार्टून कैरेक्टर. सो दैट इज व्हाई ही क्रिएटेड श्रीमती जी. अब जैसे लोटपोट में ही क्रिएटेड चाचा चौधरी and Pinky, because it was at
Mm.
one time. And yes, it's a very good observation that he used to involve in each character so deeply. And कि हर करेक्टर के अंदर वो एसेंस दिखता है इंडिविजुअल में. And I always tell everyone that he was a one man army. मतलब creating 7 or 8 different cartoons, and each day different cartoon is very daunting task, very difficult task. मतलब आप हर रोज एक रिदम में करते हो काम, आप उसी को मोनोटनी में ले आते हो, लेकिन फॉर हिम इट वाज अ चैलेंज कि टुडे ओके ऑन मंडे आई विल बी ड्राइंग चाचा चौधरी, tomorrow I'll be drawing Pinky, and each it will be a new idea, new concept, and deep into that concept. So it's a very challenge for him. And lastly, I would say that he used to get his inspiration from the society. मतलब जो सोसाइटी में जो एक ह्यूमर था, जो एक चैलेंज, मतलब लोगों को देख के he used to get inspired and create comics. So he was a very good observant of society.
And that is clearly reflected in his works. And the take home message is that if you stay consistent and if you keep challenging yourself, eventually you will be building a legacy that people will be talking about. So that is exactly what has happened with this company.
Yes.
So yeah, thanks for addressing these queries and questions. There is another one, Ratik Khanna, and he has commented on YouTube. So his basic frame of question revolves around live action adaptation, be it in TV series or animation or movies. So are you going to see these characters come on the big screen someday?
Well, I would start answering this question from since 1960, Pranji was always ahead with his time. जब इंडिया में कॉमिक्स नहीं थी तो ही यूज्ड टू ड्रीम एंड ड्रॉ कॉमिक्स. ही इंट्रोड्यूस्ड कॉमिक्स to the Indian society. He was the first one to create comic books for the Indian society. Let me tell you, हमारा जो टीवी सीरियल इन 2013 में एक लाइव शो शुरू हुआ था ऑफ चाचा चौधरी ऑन सहारा
Sahara.
टीवी, and it was a 500 episodes. Already we are with the times, ahead with the times. Now recently in 2020, on Hotstar, people can watch on Disney, Geo Hotstar, जो पहले Disney पे था. So we have produced animated series on Geo Hotstar, which people can watch and love it. Action, because आज की डेट में live action series बहुत चलती हैं. So I think in coming times, people will be able to love and get entertained for a live action series of our Pran Universe cartoon characters.
Great.
That's an amazing.
Apart from apart from comics and this thing, जैसे जैसे technology change होती जा रही है, we are coming up with the merchandise and gaming with times which people would love it. And definitely joining hands with Tanmoy and Antrip is one of our extension that we want to cater to that Bengali market. We want to go to the each and every village where people would like to love Indian comics, Indian
Right.
themes, and enjoy that. So, and with mobile, we are the top selling digital platform of selling comics in India. We are the largest selling Indian comics because we have a huge library, and we are publishing over there on that platform in English and Hindi. And next, we will also publish in other languages also. So, with technology, we have always with time. और आगे जो जो टेक्नोलॉजी आएगी वो हम क्रिएट करेंगे विद आवर करेक्टर्स.
And tying up with Antori Publishers for the Bengali edition was really a good move because I have seen how good their distribution network is over here in West Bengal. So it is going to reach the right number of people and it is going to go in every corner of Bengal. So congratulations on that, and also huge congratulations on tying up with Netflix. So I didn't know about that, and I hope we get to see the live action very soon. Now I'm really hyped up about these projects. So, what happened to the Raghuveer Yadav? I think he used to play the role of Chacha Chaudhary in that
Mm.
Sahara TV series. So that
It
is
was
a
a
limited series, right?
it was 500 episodes. Initially, when Sahara came to us, the initial plan was to produce only 100 episodes. But within that small time span, the TRP became so popular that it was the highest rated TV serial across all platforms, highest rated at that time span.
Yeah,
So then they started then they said that we will produce 300 episodes, then from 300 500 episodes. So it's really very nice for us, and at that time this was in 2013. And now in animation and जो भी अब आगे जो भी चीजें आएंगी हम उसके साथ चलेंगे.
And it seems like history is repeating itself. Is because when I was having a discussion with Tanmay recently, I went to his book outlet. He said that something similar has happened with the Bengali edition, the Chacha Chaudhary Shamogru one. They knew the response is going to be good, but they had no idea it is going to be this good. And I think it went out of stock very soon, and they had to put a reprint in just a matter of a couple of weeks or something.
Let
yeah,
me tell you this, Tanmay, and I only know when we were going to release Samagra one in Bengali edition, matlab, the whole stock was sold out. मतलब Calcutta में आने से पहले the bookings were already done, and then Tanmay, every day Tanmay was after me कि मेरे को second lot भेजो, कब आ रहा है. Now he's after me the third lot.
yeah,
तो मतलब तो मतलब इतना touchwood, the response is so good, and we are
yeah,
really honored. I'm telling you that we are really honored by the love and affection of people of Bengali readers. And उसके अंदर हमारा अब क्या है, both of us are putting more effort for our
right,
next edition.
right.
And I would like to tell through your platform for the first time that now, because of the technology, we will be selling Samagra One Bengali editions through Blinkit also. So within 10
Okay.
minutes,
Yeah, yeah,
you will get Samagra One and all Chacha Chaudhary comics original series.
Neo
yeah.
Brilliant.
Comics is
That's a
so Chacha Chaudhary Shamogru is going to be available at your doorstep in 10 minutes via Blinkit.
And this
Wow.
is only the first book. This is only the first book of this series. I mean, I am a firm believer that the Chacha Chaudhary fan universe, I mean, if I may say so, it will expand, only expand. Because this is the
true.
first book of the series, and then we are going to bring the second book, Raka series, Pinky Billu Raman series. And I mean, if I can say that we actually sold a pretty good number. I mean, in the last 2 months or more than 2 months, pretty good numbers. But we are actually right now seeing the only the tip of the iceberg. This is not the whole picture. This whole scenery is going to have a blast very soon, because as the I mean the next book and the next book is going to come, and the universe is going to span the fandom, the whole fan base. It is only going to expand here. People, yeah, a very large part of Bengali comic lovers are very much aware of Chacha Chaudhary Samagrawan, but not the whole one. We have only reached to successfully. Have only reached to around 10% of the whole audience, because it has a huge fan base. Not even a single person who can. I mean, if you ask anyone randomly in Bengal that have you heard about Chacha Chaudhary, if you ask randomly 10 people, I mean, 9 of them will say, yes, I've read it and I have heard it. So there is no need of any extra, uh, effort to put any extra effort or marketing efforts. People are very much aware about Chacha Chaudhary. They are in love with Chacha Chaudhary. We just need to produce good products and make it available in the market. Make it available in the local market. Make it available in the local stores, online, offline, everywhere. This is the task that we are taking very seriously and in coming years, because as Nikhilji was saying, we was that back in 1960, late uh, Pranji, he has created so many characters and so many comics that if we both, I mean, me and Nikhil sir, we work together for the next 10 years, we'll not be able to print and make it available the whole thing. I mean, there are so many books. People are asking us why you are only bringing 10 books. But as Nikhil sir has already told, that there are more than 400 books on only on Chacha Chaudhary. It is not possible to bring all those books into a single volume. So just have an idea that
Like,
we have only published 10 books in Samagra 1. How many Samagra we have to publish to, reprint all those Chacha Chaudhary, only Chacha Chaudhary comics? Just have a think. And there are more than 800 books, 800 books, all, I mean, taking Raka series, taking Pinky, Billu, Raman, and all, Srimati Ji, all characters, more than 800 books. So it is not a very easy task. We are actually trying to bring back those comics in a very, readable format, because we need to keep in mind that some of these comics were written and drawn probably 50, 60, 70 years ago. So to recolor those, to make it, print ready, to uh, you know re- restore those things, it is not very easy. Some Pranji would be in a better position to tell everything, that somewhere you need to recolor, somewhere you need to redraw some lines, because it's not easy to reprint. I mean, it is very easy to get a, ebook copy or a PDF copy of old Chacha Chaudhary comics that we used to get in our childhood. You can, get it online or anywhere, a free PDF copy. But that's a separate thing. To print it and make it print ready, press ready, it is not very easy. You cannot just go to the press right now and ask them to print those PDFs. You would not be able to read anything. So we have to bring it in a, bring all those comics in a position where we can print it and people can read all those comics easily. So this is the thing. I
yeah,
mean, I have already got some questions from our, reader base. They were asking few questions to us, so I was just trying to address few of them through our conversation. Uh, this is it.
yeah, I'm sure it's a daunting task, and I'm also pretty sure you all will pull it off really well.
Yeah, so I wanted to ask both of you, which is this is a question from Ashish39336 from YouTube. So he says that the Chacha Chaudhary Samagam in Bengali is a great product and he loved it. And he wanted to know if it would come out in Hindi and English as well.
Yes, we are कमिंग अप समग्रा वन अभी हमने बंगाली में डाली है, बट हमारे सिंगल एडिशंस एंड डाइजेस्ट जो है वो हिंदी में ऑलरेडी प्रिंट हो रहे हैं एंड सेल हो रहे हैं एज अ कंबाइंड ओमनीबस. We will be coming up because after seeing a huge response in West Bengal in a Bengali edition, we will definitely come up with the omnibus collections like this. And the main hot selling comic is Raka series. So, which we will be publishing in simultaneously in coming times in Hindi, English, and Bangla. And it will be launched at a right time, which everyone will know in future.
So होने
That's
वाला
great.
है, एक डेट एंड टाइम थोड़ा सब्र रखने के बाद ही हम लोगों को पता चलेगा. एंड इट्स अ वेरी रिलेवेंट क्वेश्चन बिकॉज बंगाली तो मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ, तो अनुवादा पढ़ते भी थे, एंड नाउ ही इज द पब्लिशर. बट our friends over here, SK, Pranay bhai, they are not Bengali, so they will be needing the Hindi or English edition. So yeah, it's a good news that
Right.
the omnibus, we are also going to get the Somogro format, right? The kind of product we got in the Bengali edition. Something
Yes.
similar, or you have some different plans for the Hindi and English one?
See, we want to reach our comics, through our cartoon characters to each and every person. And it's a huge segregation of people, readers in the market, जो सिंगल कॉमिक भी खरीदना चाहते हैं, डाइजेस्ट फॉर्म में भी खरीदना चाहते हैं, और कलेक्टर्स आइटम भी खरीदना चाहते हैं. तो वी आर क्रिएटिंग डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज इन दिस, इन डिफरेंट लैंग्वेजेस, बिकॉज हर
Nice.
टाइप के लोग हैं. दोज हु वांट टू एंजॉय देयर टाइम एंड वांट टू क्रिएट कलेक्टर्स, के लिए हम कलेक्टर्स एडिशन निकाल रहे हैं. जो हम जो डाइजेस्ट पढ़ना चाहते हैं उनके लिए निकाल रहे हैं, और जो सिंगल कॉमिक बुक एंजॉय करना चाहते हैं, वी आर कमिंग अप विद दैट.
तो सबका नीड स्कैटर होने वाला है, and
या
that's really good news. And among the three of us, like me, SK, and Pranay Bhai, I think Pranay Bhai has read and collected the most number of characters associated comic books with Cha Chaudhary, Billu, Pinky. So he is the, real deal among the three of us for today's video. So now I'll let Pranay Bhai proceed with his set of queries and questions if he has any.
Yes, yes, I have lots of questions, and I think at the beginning, before we started recording, I said that I'm so happy to meet Nikhilji. I have been a fan of the entire Chacha Chaudhary Pran universe since my childhood in the 80s. And my father, he used to get me comics almost every month. At the end of the month, well, I used to collect comics, I used to read comics. So I have like a huge collection. अभी ऑफ कोर्स बिकॉज वो 80s 90s का है, तो इतना अच्छे कंडीशन में नहीं है, बट मैं बहुत बार पढ़ चुका हूँ. मतलब आई हैव रेड इट lots and lots of times. So I want to show you this. This is like the Chacha Chaudhary and Raka. ये मेरा
यस,
फेवरेट था बिकॉज
नंबर वन.
राका एज अ कैरेक्टर, मतलब वो अलग कैरेक्टर था. लाइक चाचा चौधरी यूज्ड टू फाइट ऑफ द विलेंस, जो धमाका सिंह, गोबर सिंह, वो सब थे. बट ये जो था वो लाइक मैंने जब पढ़ा तो मुझे लगा हाँ, आई हैव ग्रोन अप नाउ. ही इज लाइक स्ट्रॉन्ग, मीन, ही वाज वायलेंट, वो साबू को टक्कर देने वाला था. एंड जब पढ़ के मुझे जो खुशी होती थी, आई वाज लाइक वाओ, ये मजा आ गया पढ़ के, बिकॉज देयर वाज लॉट ऑफ एक्शन इन दैट. एंड हम लोग स्कूल में एक्चुअली बुक्स एक्सचेंज करते थे. लाइक मैंने एक चाचा चौधरी खरीदी है, किसी और के पास चाचा चौधरी है जो मैंने नहीं पढ़ी, तो हम लोग एक्सचेंज करते थे. लेकिन जो राका का जो कॉमिक था, दैट वाज वर्थ 2 और 3. मतलब एक राका के कॉमिक के बदले यू हैव टू गेट 3 ऑफ देम, वैसा. सो सो दैट अभी ये जो है उसमें दे, आई डोंट नो इफ यू कैन सी देयर लॉट ऑफ दीस लेबल्स.
स्टिकर्स,
या स्टिकर्स एंड लेबल्स है. फिर
बुक
टाइम टेबल था.
लेबल्स.
या फिर टाइम टेबल था. देन देर इज दिस कसेट का एड है, जो अभी आप बात कर रहे थे कि हाउ प्राण वाज ऑलवेज अहेड ऑफ हिज टाइम्स. ही केम अप विद अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. दिस आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट लाइक 80s में. तो 80s में ही हैड कम अप विद दोज VHS या VCR टेप्स, जहाँ पे आप एक्चुअली आपके फेवरेट कैरेक्टर्स को देख भी सकते हो. So I have never seen it because I never got that opportunity. But a lot of merchandising was happening at that time. So I have all the collections. This is Raka, then there's Raka's Vengeance. There is Storm of Raka, जो मुझे इतना पसंद था कि मैं 2 बार लेके आया था वो.
ओके.
And there's the regular Chacha Chaudhary stuff. I have a lot more जो मैं दिखाऊंगा नहीं. Basically, it's like पूरा collection है ये चाचा चौधरी का. There
राइट.
is huge collection. So,
ग्रेट. पोपटलाल,
why?
चाचा चौधरी और
Yeah, Chacha
पोपटलाल.
Chaudhary and Popatlal. I have like lots of them. थोड़ा सा wear and tear वाला है, but I love it all. I love it all. I've been like a huge fan, and I always will be a huge fan of Chacha Chaudhary and Sabu. Billu, जैसे मैं थोड़ा grow up किया, I became a fan of Billu because I also became a teenager. I could relate to his what he was going through, and उसके जो कारनामे थे वो मजेदार थे. So for me, it's kind of a love affair with the entire Pran universe. Like my question is कि how because हर बुक में ना एक USP होता है. Like जो insight बोलते हैं जीवन का, या like as a reader, I could relate to it. I don't know how did Pranji capture that insight, because every book is a gem. हर एक में एक Indian insight है जो हम लोग को when we read it we feel very happy and we like, oh yeah, ये सही है, ये बहुत cool था. तो how do you do ना, वो कैसे करते थे for so many books? Like अभी तनुमय ने बोला कि there are 400 चाचा चौधरीज. मुझे ये पता नहीं था. I knew कि there are lots of them. Like I would look behind the cover to see कि ये सारे हैं, उसमें से कितने मेरे पास है, and that's how I would try to get. But अगर 400 है, that's a huge number. How did प्राणजी get that right? मतलब कैसे इतना prolific writing कर पाते थे?
See, he was a good observant, and I would like to tell readers and viewers that when he started his career in 1960, at that time there was a flow of foreign cartoons
Mhm.
which were being
Yes.
published in newspapers and Indian magazines. तो उस टाइम बिकॉज इंडिया में कुछ ऐसा था ही नहीं. और लेट मी टेल यू कि पीपल वर नॉट एबल टू कनेक्ट विद दैट दोज कॉमिक्स. जो वहाँ का जो ह्यूमर है, अमेरिकन ह्यूमर है, या इंग्लैंड का जो ह्यूमर है, तो बिकॉज वहाँ की सोसाइटी इज डिफरेंट. वर्ल्ड ओवर जितने भी कार्टूनिस्ट रहे हैं, लेट मी टेल यू, they depict their own society. They create humor, they depict their own society. And वो through different platforms, उस time newspapers थे, तो through print media, those cartoons were used to come. अब इंडियन पब्लिशर्स जो थे वो वहां से अमेरिकन कॉमिक्स लेके आते थे, and they used to publish over here. But Indian society were not able to connect with them. Pranji was at a very grassroots level, grounded, very grounded person. He used to observe Indian society. जो उसका फ्लेवर है, उसका जो ह्यूमर है, वहां से अपने कॉमिक्स के थ्रू विद डिफरेंट कैरेक्टर्स वो उन्होंने हमारे लोगों तक, हमारे इंडियंस तक पहुंचाया. और दैट्स व्हाई इट बिकेम पॉपुलर, बिकॉज as you rightly said, that you were able to understand and get connected with those comics, Chacha Chaudhary comics. And
Absolutely.
this is the and then after that comics started coming, and I still remember that I am trying to add one more thing in his life, that he was ahead in his times कि जब वो newspapers में अपना syndicate करते थे, तो he used to meet different publishers. At that time comic books इंडिया में नहीं publish होते थे, कोई था ही नहीं. And he used to tell each and every publisher कि भाई तुम, जैसे अमेरिका में कॉमिक बुक्स जो हैं वो मिलियंस में सेल होती हैं in 1960s, why don't you publish them? I'll make for you. And everyone, he used to laugh, and they publishers didn't know कि कितना potential है इसमें. And suddenly the things clicked, and जो first comic थी चाचा चौधरी अंतरिक्ष में,
Yeah.
after that it became so popular कि एक के बाद एक वो आने लग गई, and people used to like it, and वो market से एकदम out of print होने लग गई. Then when you showed Raka, the first Raka series, so I am telling you the back story, behind the scenes story of our Raka series, ki how Raka was made.
Yeah.
Raka, see, when these comics started became popular, तो 100th issue आने वाला था. तो 100th issue was a milestone.
करेक्ट,
तो
यहाँ पे वो मेंशन भी है.
हाँ जी, हाँ जी. तो देन वी थॉट कि हम एक ऐसी सीरीज बनाएं जिसमें एक्शन भी हो, और वो सिर्फ एवरी 100th इशू आए, कि आफ्टर एवरी 99 कॉमिक्स इट विल बी नेक्स्ट राका सीरीज. तो एवरी ईयर पीपल यूज टू वेट फॉर द नेक्स्ट राका.
Okay.
and
Great.
and if you read all the Raka series, these are as comparable with the Marvel and DC comics, because
हम्म,
जो DC और Marvel आज कर रहा है, हर सीरीज लिंक्ड है एक दूसरे से. If you start reading Raka 1, then Raka 2,
yes,
then Raka 3, it's a connection, and you
yes,
end up till the 16th series. तो मार्वल और डीसी भी अपनी जो कॉमिक्स लाइनअप करते हैं वो एक सीरीज की तरह करते हैं. तो प्रांजी वाज अगेन अहेड ऑफ हिज टाइम्स.
yes. I mean, Raka is always special, and also like with the kind of action जिस जो था वो I think इंडियन कॉमिक्स में पहले देखा भी नहीं था. सो वो भी एक नॉवेल्टी फैक्टर था. आई रिमेम्बर एक जगह पे मैंने पढ़ा था, आई थिंक जब वो कॉमिक्स पब्लिश होते हैं तो उसके कवर के इनसाइड में थोड़ा सा ऐसा इंफॉर्मेशन होता है अबाउट तो ऑथर के बारे में, तो प्राण सर के बारे में था, वेर ही हैड हिज comic Raman United We Stand, released by Prime Minister of that time, Indira Gandhi.
इंदिरा गांधी, राइट.
Yeah. And उनका एक quote है where he says that if I could offer a couple of laughs to the heavily taxed and poverty-stricken Indians, I would consider my mission a success. So I think he was very well tuned with the जो आम जनता है वो, क्योंकि उनके हर स्टोरी में ऐसा कुछ ना कुछ है जो हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं या जो हम हमारे जिंदगी में भी देखते हैं, लाइक देसी घी के लड्डू हुआ, या फिर ऐसी छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं जो वी रिलेट, जो हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं, वो उनकी बुक्स में भर भर के है. शायद वो भी एक रीजन है जिसकी वजह से हमको इतना वो हमें छू जाता है.
Relevant, relatable, and homegrown ideas.
यस,
राइट.
वेरी वेल सेड. या
ही यूज्ड टू,
सो
इंदिरा गांधी, एक हमारी सीरीज है रमन की, रमन सीरीज. रमन सीरीज वाज बेस्ड ऑन द नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ इंडिया, यूनाइटेड, मतलब कि जस्ट लाइक इंडिया के अंदर अलग अलग लोग हैं, हिंदू है, कोई मुस्लिम है, कोई वेस्ट बंगाल से है, कोई पंजाबी है, राजस्थान से हैं, साउथ के हैं. तो उन्होंने एक कॉमिक बुक निकाली, एंड टेल मी लेट मी टेल यू, रमन इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट कार्टून कैरेक्टर्स. उसके अंदर जो एक कैरेक्टर है, इट्स अ टिपिकल इंडियन, एक जो
एवरीडे
गवर्नमेंट
बैन.
जॉब, एवरीडे मैन जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर रहा है, एंड जो पीपल कैन कनेक्ट कि यार गवर्नमेंट के अंदर जो एक जॉब कर रहा है, एक क्लर्क जो है, उसके ऊपर क्या बीतती है, उसका एक स्ट्रगल क्या है.
हम्म.
वो मतलब फिर उसकी वाइफ है, एंड किशोर, एंड तो रमन एंड किशोर, उसकी वाइफ जो है, वो उनके अंदर जो एक ह्यूमर है, उनका एक बहुत सड़ू सा बॉस है. तो दीज आर द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स. फिर इसके अकॉर्डिंग हमने, आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर कि ही क्रिएटेड अ कॉमिक बुक रमन यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड, एंड ही वांटेड टू इंट्रोड्यूस this release this comic through Indira Gandhi. And the day she released that comic, I think within after a few days, I think 15-20 days, she was assassinated. Uh,
Oh.
yeah. So it was an opportunity, जो हमने एक रिलीज करी थी, रमन यूनाइटेड वी स्टैंड. इट्स ऑन नेशनल इंटीग्रेशन विद ह्यूमर.
यस, यस. I think that's what ना इतना variety है, and at the same time everybody can relate to it. There's something for everyone.
या.
हर एक के लिए कुछ ना कुछ ब्रांड यूनिवर्स में है. So
यस.
it's amazing to experience that. And तनुमय ने बोला ना, it's like a gold mine that you have 800 books of from 1960s to the 2000s. That's amazing. Like, and all of us read, a lot of us who grew up with it will also want to own it in in new condition now, you know.
We would like to bring these comics to as original, as authentic to our readers, because हम उनकी वैल्यू समझ सकते हैं, रीडर्स की वैल्यू समझ सकते हैं, रीडर्स के जो भाव हैं, फीलिंग्स हैं टुवर्ड्स चाचा चौधरी कॉमिक्स, वो समझ सकते हैं. तो हम चाहते हैं कि वो हमारे साथ जुड़े रहें, जो हमारा विजन है उसके साथ चलें. और जब तक हम ट्रू नहीं होंगे अपने कॉमिक्स में, तब तक हम वो चीज अपने रीडर्स को नहीं दे पाएंगे. and we are doing Tanmay, and we are doing lot of hard work behind the scenes. And let me tell you, Tanmay is very strict, and he has a good vision. And that is why पूरा श्रेय of Samagra One Tanmay को जाता है. The
Arey,
success.
thank you, sir. I mean,
How do you select which stories to take? I mean, chronologically होता है या फिर is there some other method for selecting the stories for Samagravan?
See, we are हमारा एक बहुत simple method है which is very success. वी आर वेरी ओपन. हमारे जितने भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स हैं और हमारा जो कम्युनिकेशन है टुवर्ड्स द रीडर, वी आर वेरी ओपन फ्रॉम द रीडर्स. रीडर क्या चाहता है, वो क्या सोच रहा है, इवन हम ब्लॉक नहीं करते. अगर रीडर को कोई चीज खराब लगी है, हम कभी ब्लॉक नहीं करते, बिकॉज अगर हम वो चीज, गलत चीज भी, नेगेटिव चीज भी ब्लॉक करेंगे, तो वी आर हैम्परिंग द फीलिंग्स ऑफ आवर रीडर्स. तो हमारा जो चैनल है फ्रॉम द रीडर्स टू अस, दैट इज 101% ओपन. एंड एवरी डे people talk to me, to even people those who are connected with us like Tanmay, and हम उनकी जो भी फीलिंग्स हैं हम वो अपनी तरफ एब्जॉर्ब करते हैं. विद टाइम वी डिसाइड कि उनको क्या चाहिए, और हम अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी अकॉर्डिंगली बनाते हैं. आगे आने वाले टाइम में भी हमारी आगे 6 मंथ्स की, नेक्स्ट ईयर की जो प्लानिंग है इन बंगला, वो शेप अप ले रही है. और बिकॉज इट्स नॉट अ वन डे जॉब, वो आज शेप अप करेंगे, स्टार्ट करेंगे, तो वो आपको 1 साल के बाद दिखेगी, मार्केट में आएगी. तो
Okay.
वो हमारे चैनल्स ओपन है, हमारे रीडर्स की जो आवाज है वो हम तक पहुंचती है. हम उसको कभी ब्लॉक नहीं करते, और हम उसको बहुत इफेक्टिवली लेते हैं. वी आर वेरी सीरियस. अगर कोई रीडर को अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम है हमसे, हम उसको इमीडिएटली रेक्टिफाई करते हैं एट आवर ओन लॉस. लेट मी टेल यू दैट. या तो
That's
दैट इज आवर
great, sir.
स्ट्रेटेजी, दैट इज आवर स्ट्रेटेजी फॉर अस. इट्स वेरी सिंपल.
So
Learn for other Indian publishers is that the business is there, but you will have to have a greater, inclination towards the passion and vision. क्योंकि अगर वो सही रहेगा तो बिजनेस हो ही जाएगा eventually. And the more you grow, the less your ego should be. Like as he said, he is open to criticisms and feedbacks. That is not what happens with smaller publishers these days. But France being such a huge franchisee and such a huge publishing house, they are open to all the channels, all the feedbacks from all the readers. So that itself says a lot about how open-minded and how progressive you should be, because the Indian comic book readers are, dwindling in numbers. The distribution network is not strong, and in scenarios like this sort of positive mentality can only take you forward.
yes, so I am a huge Raka fan, and as a Raka fan, I would love कि मेरे पास एक omnibus हो जिसमें सारा राका का collection हो from 1 to 16. So is it possible कि ये dream कभी fulfill हो सकता है?
व्हाट्स योर एज?
I am 45. अभी ये मत बोलना कि
Okay, let me tell you, in a very near future, very near future, you'll be this your wish will be fulfilled.
oh, that's great.
अरे,
That is awesome to hear. मतलब near
another
future is like
universe.
what 1 month या 1 year.
See, our plannings are there, and maybe within a year, if I'm
Okay.
not wrong, within a year, आपने जैसे आज राका वन दिखाई है, next time when we meet, you'll be showing that omnibus.
Great,
This is
great.
wonderful.
With all of wow. That will be fantastic. That is a dream actually. Dream come true for I'm sure not just me, for a lot of Chacha Chaudhary fans, because बहुत सारे लोगों को जो मैं जानता हूँ जो चाचा चौधरी पढ़ते हैं उनके लिए राका स्पेशल है. So having that in one issue would be tremendous. Like
Yes, yes, yes. No, definitely. And there are a lot of other plannings also. Not only, मतलब जैसे पिंकी भी है, बिल्लू भी है, एंड तन्मय ने कहा कि हमारे पास इतना गोल्ड माइन है, इतना लाइब्रेरी है, ह्यूज लाइब्रेरी, उसको हम बहुत सिलेक्टिवली, बहुत पैशनेटली आप तक पहुंचाएंगे, एंड डेफिनेटली हम उसको लेके आएंगे। बाकी आपके मन में अगर चाचा चौधरी के लिए कोई भी और कोई बचपन से कोई भी क्वेश्चंस हैं या कुछ है, यू कैन जस्ट शूट मी राइट अवे एंड आई विल आंसर देम। वो जितने भी विविड हो, मेरे को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है।
चाचा
बहुत
चौधरी के
सही।
लिए तो आई मीन एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हाउ डज हिज ब्रेन वर्क फास्टर देन अ कंप्यूटर क्योंकि वो दैट्स हिज बिगेस्ट स्ट्रेंथ एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई थिंक वी ऑल यूज्ड टू
Actually,
रीड।
this is my question. When this term, ये जो है ना, चाचा चौधरी brain work faster than computer. When this term actually invented, I mean introduced.
Okay, okay. See, Chacha Chaudhary was introduced in 1960 और
Yeah.
computers भी world over 1960 में ही शुरू हुए थे। But Pranji was in when he created Chacha Chaudhary, he was inspired by Confucius, the Chinese,
Yeah. Monk,
फिलोसोफर।
and
philosopher.
Confucius
हम्म,
was very intelligent. He was वो अपने brain से अपना सारा, he was very intelligent person and he was known for his brain, and he created Chacha Chaudhary character. When he created this Chacha Chaudhary character, see, at that time there was Superman and आप Spider-Man के हीरो वर्शिप करते हैं, तो these are all super heroes, those who can fly and take out net from his hand. So he, Pranji, created an Indian character who was 5 feet 5 inches, a short person, but and not smart, not handsome. He couldn't fly, he couldn't take out web from his hand, but he was you of his brain. वो अपना दिमाग चलाते थे। तो उन्होंने कहा कि चाचा चौधरी मीन्स ऑल इंडियंस, यू एंड मी, वी आर वेरी नोन फॉर आवर ब्रेन एंड इंटेलिजेंस। तो यही इंडियंस जो हैं, जब हम अमेरिका जाते हैं आज की डेट में, यू कैन सी कि गूगल का हेड कौन है। आपका इधर बाकी जितने भी टॉप वो हैं वर्ल्ड की
सीईओज
मल्टीनेशनल
है।
सीईओज हैं,
यस।
वो कौन है? इंडियंस हैं। हम अमेरिका जाके, बाहर जाके या इंडिया में भी अपने दिमाग से अपने टॉप, वी आर क्रिएटिंग, वी आर बिकमिंग द बेस्ट, वी हैव द बेस्ट ब्रेन्स, एंड यू एंड मी आर चाचा चौधरी। दैट्स हाउ ही क्रिएटेड चाचा चौधरी।
We are all humans, but we can be extraordinary if the time needs us to be.
I
That's
mean,
actually very
was there any
powerful.
real life influence to draw the Chacha Chaudhary character? Because clearly he has actually प्रांजी ने इसको कोई गांव का कोई चौधरी ऐसा कुछ, मतलब उसका जो टर्बन है, उसका जो मूंछ है, ऐसा कुछ समझ के ड्रॉ किए थे फर्स्ट टाइम। तो was there any
हाँ
real life influence?
भाई, रियल लाइफ ये था ना कि सिंस वी आर बेस्ड इन दिल्ली, एंड हमारा जो पंजाब साइड एंड हरियाणा साइड जितने भी विलेजेस में जो लोग हैं टुडे आल्सो, दे आर, जो ओल्ड लोग हैं या जितने भी दानिशमंद लोग हैं, इंटेलिजेंट हैं, दे वियर, उनका ड्रेसअप ऐसा ही है, और पहले सारे ऐसे ही पहनते थे। तो दिस
बिल्कुल।
इज हाउ ही वांटेड टू क्रिएट एन इंडियन करेक्टर, and
Right.
Chaudhary is a very popular surname in north, in this belt, UP, Punjab, and Haryana side.
Sure.
In
So,
Bengal,
and these are very two simple words, Chacha Chaudhary, and he combined them and became
I
popular.
mean, this is a very common query. चाचा तो किसी का नाम हो नहीं सकता। तो वो तो मतलब अगर कोई बोलेगा कि ये मेरा चाचा है तो चाचा है, मतलब उसका रियल नेम क्या है?
नहीं नहीं, चाचा चौधरी हैं, एंड सी हाउ ही कनेक्टेड द थिंग्स वाज कि इन योर फैमिली आल्सो, आप अपनी फैमिली में भी अगर देखेंगे, सी दीज ऑल थिंग्स आर वेरी नियर टू यू एक्चुअली।
या।
आप अपनी फैमिली में देखेंगे तो पूरी फैमिली में जो सबसे बड़े होंगे, वो ही सारा डिसीजन लेते होंगे। और अपनी पूरी फैमिली में, जैसे कि भाई अगर आपके पेरेंट्स हैं या उनके आगे पेरेंट्स हैं, दादाजी हैं हमारी फैमिली में, तो वो डिसीजन लेंगे कि भैया क्या होना है, किसकी शादी कैसे होनी है, क्या होना है, एंड मेजर डिसीजन आर टेकन बाय द एल्डर्स. तो सिमिलरली चाचा जी is like an elder person in a family, and
Yeah,
over
yeah, yeah.
here for Chacha Chaudhary the whole country is his family.
Yeah, sure, sure. I'm very much rooted to Indian sentiments and Indian principles, everything.
Right, right.
Very well thought and very, very well thought. I mean,
But it's a good question. Like, now that you asked, even I'm thinking I don't know Chacha Chaudhary's name.
True, true. And it's still a mystery. Like it's not yet revealed.
एटलीस्ट मेरे को याद नहीं है, मतलब जो मैंने पढ़ा है उसमें आई डोंट रिमेम्बर. बट अगर कोई ऐसा सपोज बुक है जिसमें उनका एक्चुअली नाम रिवील हुआ है, दैट विल बी लाइक अ की इश्यू फिर.
that's a very,
What is
Important book.
it?
very mystery. I mean,
Yeah,
that's a mystery,
Yeah,
open
from
mystery for everyone.
what
And
we have.
find his real name. And
yeah,
the sheer volume of work that he has done, from 1960s and to 2000, 2010, just to think about the sheer volume of work that he has done,
yeah.
humongous. I mean, just to think about the 40 years of work, of around 50 years of work, how many books he has illustrated, he has written stories and made comics. It is overwhelming. I mean,
Yes.
we
Really.
where we are right now talking, I mean, right now having a chat on 2025 and thinking about just to republish all those works that he has done is a humongous task. And then think how difficult it was back in 1960s, 1980s, 2000
Yeah,
to be able to actually produce so many
true.
volumes. And
Hmm.
something
The
must have happened
technology
in
was another
1960s. I
thing.
don't know. I mean, there was Indrajal, started in 1960s. Chacha Chaudhary 1968, 67 around. I mean, even now in 2025, it is very difficult to create a comic character which is not influenced by Western ideas.
Right.
You can go and find any Indian character and go out and find any Indian character. There is clear Western influence. And back in 1960s, just to think about a person who is thinking to create a new character, new universe, and not having any influence of Western comics ideas. It's, I mean, I don't know. I mean, in 2025, we cannot think of creating anything very original, very Indian. And back in 1960, he has created something which was very much Indian, rooted to Indian principle
Correct.
and ideas and sentiments, and completely,
Perfect.
out of Western ideas and influences. It is great, great.
I would uh, I would like to tell you that you should get inspiration from Pranji and his work. Every one of us. Uh, हम अपनी लाइफ में क्या चाहते हैं? Each one of, अगर आप अपने आप से पूछें, each one of you over here and the people who will be watching this podcast, आप अपनी लाइफ में क्या चाहते हैं? Name, fame and money. आप ये दो तीन चीजें ही चाहते हैं लाइफ में कि भी मैं कुछ काम ऐसा करूं जिससे कि लोग मेरे को एक इज्जत दें, मेरे को अच्छे पैसे मिलें उस काम से, और मेरे को एक सुकून मिले अपनी लाइफ से. दैट इज व्हाट
Bilkul.
प्रांजी डिड. प्रांजी वाज, लेट मी टेल यू, वेरी सिंपल पर्सन. हम जो अपनी लाइफ में इतनी कॉम्प्लिकेसी करते हैं, मैं हर एक को कहता हूँ, बी वेरी सिंपल. डोंट गो आफ्टर सुपर फुलिश थिंग्स एंड जितने भी ये जो आपको जो चकाचौंध करने वाली चीजें हैं. ही वॉज अ वेरी सिंपल पर्सन एंड very dedicated and hard working person. Number 3, he was very consistent. Every day we used to see him in office at 10 o'clock sharp. At 6 o'clock, till 6 o'clock, he used to work with his team consistently for say 40 years, 45 years. जो आदमी डेडिकेटेडली स्टेप बाय स्टेप काम करेगा, उसको 101% सक्सेस मिलेगी. सक्सेस हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम उल्टा सोचते हैं, हम पैसे के पीछे भागते हैं। पैसा ऐसे नहीं मिलेगा। आप अपना काम करेंगे, कंसिस्टेंटली काम करेंगे, डेडिकेटेडली काम करेंगे, आपको अपने आप सक्सेस मिलेगी। सक्सेस मिलेगी तो पैसे भी आएंगे। दिस इज द इंस्पिरेशन ऑफ प्रांजी, which every one of us should be inspired and get motivated.
True.
एक अंग्रेजी
Absolutely.
कहावत याद आ गया कि winners don't do different things, they just do the same things differently, and that is the motto here.
मैं एक बात बोल दूं कि तन्मय, आई थिंक बात चल रही थी, हम बाद में बात करेंगे। वी हैव published, come out with a biography of Pranji also.
Yeah, yeah.
And in Bangla also we can come up with that, because it's written by our family only, and
Yeah,
in a
sure.
proper way. It's very nice.
I would like to get the clarification कि ये normal biography जैसा ही है, classical है या फिर comic book representation?
नहीं 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 नहीं, नॉर्मल नॉर्मल बायोग्राफी, बट अ लाइफ हिस्ट्री जैसे होती है, फ्रॉम वेयर ही वाज बोर्न टू द टिल हिज डेथ, पूरी एक साइकिल है एज अ बायोग्राफी, जिसमें कि इनसाइड स्टोरीज हैं फ्रॉम द हार्ट, फ्रॉम द फैमिली, रिटन बाय माय मदर आशा जी।
Okay.
एंड बिकॉज शी नोज ईच एंड एवरीथिंग, जो एक देयर लॉट ऑफ इनसाइड स्टोरीज जो प्रांजी के साथ चली, बिकॉज पीपल ओनली नो अबाउट चाचा चौधरी एंड प्रांजी, दैट्स इट। लेकिन वो बैक स्टोरीज भी बहुत सारी होती हैं हर एक की लाइफ में।
मतलब सेपरेशन का बात और पाकिस्तान से आने
हाँ
का बात, वो
हाँ
भी
हाँ
क्या उसमें है क्या?
हाँ जी, हाँ जी, स्टार्टिंग वहीं से हुई है, फ्रॉम देयर पेरेंट्स,
Yeah,
एकदम फ्रॉम व्हेन ही वाज अ चाइल्ड टिल हिज डेथ।
yeah. I mean, just the simplicity of Chachaji's story. I mean, Pran's story. Actually, वो जमाने में क्या हो रहा था 1960s में, सब सुपर हीरो, एक्शन हीरो, सब कुछ हो रहा था। मतलब वो सुपरमैन, सुपर पावर्स, एंड इधर बेताल and वगैरह वगैरह, मतलब वो तो सारे एक्शन हीरो, सुपर पावर्स। एंड देन केम चाचा चौधरी विद अ वेरी सिंपल स्टोरी, वेरी सिंपल ड्राइंग, वेरी सिंपल everyday life stories, and it, I mean, suddenly, in a blink, I mean, it took the market. This is the just the brilliance of the man, and how he was ahead of his time, and how, I mean, he was very much intelligent. The way he has worked, it is not a very random work. I am a firm believer that he was able to see the future.
I believe he could see a reflection of himself in Chacha Chaudhary because I can see he was also tremendously intelligent. क्योंकि अभी जो stats और जो details share किया गया, like being ahead of your time is something that very few, entrepreneur and pioneers can exhibit this sort of nature and innate skill. And he has done this time and again throughout his entire. एक बार में किया and then it went into a deep or something. He maintained that.
हाँ,
So that tells a lot
हाँ,
about.
मतलब पूरा पूरा जो ट्रेंड है उसके ऑपोजिट जाके ऐसा एक स्टोरी और ऐसा एक कैरेक्टर बनाना।
को एस्टेब्लिश करना और पॉपुलैरिटी को मेंटेन रखना आज के डेट
Sure.
तक भी, दिस इज sheer brilliance and nothing else. Genius. We have come to the end of this podcast session and what a pleasure and delight it has been. इतना सारा exclusive news मिला, the one about the tie up with Netflix, Blinkit पर आने वाला है, and the future looks really promising. So yeah, that's it for today, guys. It was a pleasure having you all. It's a real honor. And with that being said, I'll wrap up this video here. See you all in the next one, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.